I'm Bates Marshall. I'm the co-founder and the CEO of Ambient Photonics, and it's an amazing pleasure to welcome you all here as we break ground on our very first factory. Exciting day, historic day for the company and for all of our team and our supporters, investors, partners, customers. Take a minute to recognize our elected officials and local leaders who were kind enough to bless us with their presence today. State Senator John Laird, Scotts Valley Mayor Donna Lind.
Just thank you. This is just a wonderful thing that meets many goals. And so on behalf of the Senate, I have a special certificate honoring your groundbreaking, and it's in the spirit of everything I just said. So congratulations on doing this.